4 ways to spot a female driver. Number 1. Can't park. Has bad feeling for the size of the car. I have seen far too many who park like this. There might actually be a reason for this. Number 2. Going slower than the speed limit. Basically turtle mode. These are easily the most annoying people in traffic. Number 3. Bad timing. Cuts in front of you. Examples of this is at roundabouts, all exits and the right-of-way rule. First they cut you off, and then they enter turtle mode. How convenient.
Nice.
Number 4. Can't drive straight.